Hari Bol, dear souls. So we have to stay fit, and we want to do it in a way that is also amusing or brings some fun, because otherwise it's hard to do it. And also we want to remember who we are and why we are doing it, and where we want to go. That means that we are souls who want to remember God. So therefore we invented a way to combine the playing with the ball with mantra, and the mantra is Kaumodaki, Sudarshanay. So these are two weapons of the Supreme Lord, namely the club called Kaumodaki, and the other one is Sudarshanay, the fire disc. So these two infallible weapons of the Supreme Lord, we are repeating the syllables each time we hit the ball, and thus we purify ourselves and also the environment, every soul, every insect, every bird, every tree, and the whole atmosphere at the same time. So it's a win-win game, and we just do a very short demonstration to give you the idea. Okay? Let's see that we're in the right spot. Shakti, Sudarshanay, 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 Shakti, Sudarshanay. Okay, I think that presents the idea. Your comments and questions are most welcome. Check the description of the video, and see you next time. Jai Shri, Radhe Shyam.